Welcome to Digital Teaching. This video will show you how to download a YouTube video and download an MP3 copy of your video. The first step is to follow this link. The link will be provided in the description box. Follow this link and click on Free Download. Free Download. And then the download will start at some point. Here it is. Download starting. As soon as the executable file has downloaded, you can open it. We'll take you to this window. This window, you can go through the steps, accept the agreement, decline the antivirus, and then you just hit install. I already installed it, so I'm not going to install it now, but make sure that you do in fact install the software. Once it's done, you can open it. This is what the software looks like. You paste the link you want to download here. You take it from your YouTube channel, your YouTube video. You paste the link in here, and then it's loading the information from the video. And then you select MPEG-4. You can select the quality, and you can say grab this clip. And it's going to download this clip. Let's download it to video 1 because it's video 1 again. Okay, as you can see, the video is finished downloading. Now we want to download an MP3 version of that video. So here you go, and you select MP3 audio only. The quality at this stage is irrelevant. You grab this clip, save it. It's done. And if you go to the folder where you download it, here is a video version. And here is the audio version. Welcome to Now, if you'd followed all the steps, by now you will have a PowerPoint with narration, a video, a transcript of the video, and now you have an MP3 version. And just as a conclusion, here you can see all the steps we followed to download the video and to download the MP3 clip. Thank you. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more videos.